What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com, and we have a 1991 Honda GL 1500 Goldwing, and I'm going to tell you guys what you need to know and why you need to watch this video before you buy yourself a classic Goldwing. Let's hop on. It's going to be a lot of fun. Backrest got in my face. All right. First, let's do the words of wisdom. Jonah 1:17, God will go to incredible lengths to get your undivided attention. All right. So apparently this model has cruise control. All right, first of all, just to premise this whole video, I like Goldwings. Okay. Let me give you a couple disclosures. One, I'm biased about Goldwings because I like them. Two, I'm personally selling this Goldwing and I want you to buy it. Three, I think it's already sold. But if you're still interested, let me know. It might not be sold yet. Those are just a couple disclosures I had to give you. Four, I will profit when I sell this Goldwing. Alright, so I love these things. We had a guy call me yesterday. He's like, I'm interested in the Goldwing. First question, why is it so cheap? And I was like, second question, let me just raise the price to answer that first question. No, I told him, I was like, I don't know, it's just a little rough. It's cosmetically rough. It runs awesome. And I'm going to show you guys how good it runs. And I'm going to show you why the Goldwing is the best. Alright, so if you're doing a tour, if you're going to do a big trip, and you're looking to buy something, I mean, you really can't go wrong with the Goldwing. This is the most giant. Open up. I don't know how to use that stupid vent, but I want it to be open. Open up. I hate you. Alright. I missed my turn. Oh well. Alright, so this thing's got cruise control. Let's figure out how to use it. Okay, here we go. Resume in Excel. Let's do set. There's no set. Let's try this. Alright, I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm saying I don't know how to use it. I don't know. There's so many buttons on this thing. Okay, you're looking to buy an old Goldwing. Here's what you need to look for. I'm gonna keep it real simple. Basically, if it's mechanically good, buy it. Forget looks. Unless you're trying to pay top dollar for an old classic Goldwing, which that's fine. But if it mechanically runs well and it's a decent price, buy it. Don't worry about the cosmetics. Now, and I'm saying this, I'm hoping it should be a good price point. Now, obviously, if there's two different Goldwings next to each other, they're both for 3,000 bucks. The one looks like hell, the other one looks awesome, and they both run good. Of course, buy the better looking one. But just don't be surprised if your Goldwing looks like this, because this bike has been loved, and it actually only has 66,000 miles. It's actually kind of low miles for a Goldwing. I'm gonna run out of gas. All right, not many miles for a Goldwing, and this thing runs really good. When you first fire it up, it should only need to be on choke for maybe a few minutes, minute or two. And then take it off a choke. Don't be too alarmed if you have to keep it on there for like 4 minutes or something like that. Not a huge deal. But if it's not running right and it's spitting and sputtering, it is a 6-cylinder. There is 35 different carburetors inside there, and it might be a little expensive. It might be more than the average like V-twin to get the carbs tuned. And I'm not saying it's crazy expensive. It's maybe a couple $100. Nothing huge. Nothing that big of a deal. Man, this thing runs good. Now, if you're looking It's so funny. A lot of guys complain about these bikes, and they say after a long trip, they said it makes a lot of heat. A lot of heat comes out of here. I would never let that stop you from buying a $2,000 or $3,000 touring bike that runs well. That these things are known for doing hundreds of thousands of miles. A little bit of heat, all right, so I'm gonna move my legs out a little bit. I'm gonna stick my legs out here, and now I don't feel the heat. I'm gonna take off this ridiculous windshield, put a shorter windshield to get a little bit of, at least clean the windshield. Man, these bikes are sweet. Another thing you wanna look for is, you know, I mean, okay, if the accessories work, that's a bonus. That's like, ooh, bonus. You wanna check the brakes, make sure the brakes feel good. Tires can be kind of expensive if it needs tires. Pretty much basic stuff. Look, check out the basic motorcycle checklist stuff. If I've gotten around to it, looking at the description below, I might have a motorcycle checklist down there of when you're buying a motorcycle. Just all the little things you need to look for. This is for the comm system. They took it off. Who cares? You don't need a comm system. You just yell back behind the person. Or you use a comm system in your helmet. Although if you're doing that, then your helmet comm system might be more valuable than the motorcycle that you're driving, which is awesome. There's tons of little buttons up here. Looks like it's got a CB transmitter down there. Have no idea how to use that. Let's see if reverse works. That'd be super cool. Not that, I mean, I don't care. I don't need reverse personally. I just don't care about it. But oh yeah, another thing. Neutral light is in op. Neutral works, but the light does not work. All right, where's reverse? Where is the reverse? Oh yeah, it was down here. There's a big lever down here. There we go. Pull that out. Pull that down. All right, reverse light just came on. And what this does, this is reversing the polarity of the starter. Hey. All right. It's magic. All right. I'm gonna put that lever back down, stick it in. Now we're back. Now the starter is doing its normal thing, and we are good to go. So if you understand what that means, it's reverse. It's disconnecting the engine from the transmission because I'm in neutral, and then it's reversing the polarity of the starter. Super cool. It's exciting. It works. That some guys are going to be like, I really want reverse because I'm short, or you know, I like to park at the bottom of steep hills, like straight in. You know what I mean? That could be another thing. I've actually, most of the Goldwings, I've had a ton of older Goldwings, and 99% of the time, they run good. Like I've never actually had to take one of my Goldwings to the shop to get it tuned. One time it was running a little rough, and I flushed out the gas and put some fuel treatment in there because it had super old gas, and then within like 20 miles from all it getting all, you know, the good stuff getting through there, it was running perfect. So the flat 6 is a great motor. Fuel mileage, I have no idea. I wish I knew how to like try to do that cruise control. What does this button do? Resume, Excel. I don't know. The best thing about an old Goldwing is they do, if let's say you get one and some of the stuff doesn't work, just play around, change fuses out. You know, you find that you changed one fuse and you're like, it works. All right, here's the airbag. Here's the airbag stuff. Let's try this, or air suspension stuff. One button is check, pressure check. Let's do it. All right, maybe it doesn't work while you're driving. I feel like I hear the compressor, but I don't know. We'll check it out when I stop. Bike's got good power. It runs good. Let's just jump on the highway real quick and just see how it runs on the highway. I'm putting neutral. Check. Okay, so the check works. 47 pounds. Let's try to increase it. Yep, I hear the compressor coming on. It might take a real, there we go, 47, it works. All right, so the air ride suspension works. That is super exciting. Let's jump on the highway. Let me show you how the Goldwing accelerates like a beast. I'm not even giving it full throttle because the throttle like goes around like 12 times. It's a super, I'm losing a panel. Oh, okay, hold up. The one panel I put on, like side panel, is starting to fall off. I can feel it on my angle. And I don't want to lose it. I must not have put it on right. I stalled it out, shoot. Classic old Goldwing stuff. All right. And all the tabs are here, so I just didn't put it on properly. There we go. That's on right. All right. Side stand light works good. There we go. Let's get up to speed. Even at 91 years old, that puts it at like 28 years old. This bike is still an awesome touring bike. Like almost no matter what bike I have sitting in the shop, this is still going to be one of the more comfortable ways to do a big trip. I wish that stupid thing would just open up. Ah! Come on, come on. I need that air. All right, let's try to get the cruise control working. Oh, so what does that do? I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna rip this stupid thing off because I want air hitting me. This thing's blocking all. It's great for when it's like raining or when it's cold outside. And there's also vents down here you could use. Man, the stupid panel's falling off again. Ah! I'm just gonna stick this right here. I'm gonna sit on it. I'm not sure why it's falling off, but I didn't put it on right. If one of your panels doesn't fall off like while you're driving your Goldwing, you're not doing it right, just to throw it out there. Alright guys, that wraps it up for the test drive of the Goldwing. It is running good, temperature is good, fuel is low. Maybe we'll put some fuel in it, maybe not. And I'm pretty pleased. I'm pretty pleased with how it runs. I have not tested the radio. But that wraps it up, guys. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. And don't forget, if you're looking for the best way to secure your bike, to tie down your bike, to transport your bike, look in the link below for tank straps. It's what we use to transport our bikes. It is the best product out there for transporting your bikes. Will not mess up your suspension. And they are super, super overkill heavy duty. Alright guys. What's up guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe, click here to see more content, and as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. Alright, so I did get that vent open. I stuck my knife in there and pried it open. Now it's good. So just want to let you guys know in case you were like, I don't know if I want to buy it because that vent looks like it was stuck. Alright guys, we'll see you guys later.